to customize your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter wallpaper and style right here, and then you can click on your lock screen, which should be the first tile on the left. Then we can customize it with multiple different options. Just wait until the options are actually loaded, and then let's start from top to bottom. So here we have this button. It allows you to change the wallpaper, so you can pick a wallpaper or video that you want to use as a background. Then we can click on the clock right here. This allows you to change between different font styles and overall customize your clock. You can make them bigger, smaller, change their colors, and also apply different styles, but keep in mind that changing this style may affect the further options that you can customize your lock screen with, like removing widgets options. So now when you have your style selected, you can use this bottom right corner to adjust the size for the clock. Then there's the button, as I said, widgets. You can click on it, then add whichever widgets you want to see on your lock screen. After that we can move down to the shortcuts. Here you can apply left and right quick shortcuts to your lock screen. They will always be visible when you wake up your phone, and then you can quickly click on them to activate certain features that you can select. Then there's options to suggest wallpaper. It will apply different effects to your wallpaper, and maybe you will like it more. Then we can let's actually apply this. Then we can go for frames and add our custom frames to the photos, and we can also change the effects for the wallpaper, like the blur, black and white colors, and etc. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.